Hi, this recording is for EDUA 3308, an example of your assignment, Phonological Awareness Lesson Plan, the recorded part of the assignment. So for this assignment, you will create your lesson plan and then you will record. You have two options for recording. One, you can record the lesson using a pre-K student, kindergarten student, or someone playing the role of a kindergarten or pre-K student. Your second option, which is what I'm going to demonstrate, is recording as if you are teaching the lesson to students virtually. So those are your two options for your recorded portion of this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what that might look like. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to work on our listening skills. We're going to work on figuring out how many sounds we hear in some words. We're going to use our sound boxes to do this. Remember, sound boxes are used for us to represent how many sounds we hear in a word. So each box represents one sound. And we're going to use our colored chips to move into the boxes for each sound that we hear. So, for example, this right here is a picture of a bat. Say that word for me, bat. Very good. Now we're going to take that word and we're going to slow it down and we're going to stretch it out. And for each sound that we hear, we're going to move one of our chips. So let's try that together. Again, the word is bat. Repeat the word. Very good. Now let's slow it down and stretch it out. B-a-t. B-at. Bat. Great job. How many sounds did you hear in the word bat? That's right, Tim. There are 3 sounds in the word bat. Let's try another one together. Sarah, what is this a picture of? That's right, that's a dog. Everyone, repeat that word, dog. Very good. Now again, we're going to slow the word down and stretch it out and move a chip for every sound we hear. And remember, we start on the left and move to the right, just like what we do when we write. All right, the word again is dog. Let's stretch it out. D-a-g. D-a-g. Dog. Very good. John, how many sounds do we have in the word dog? That's right, there are 3 sounds in the word dog. All right, we're going to do one more together, and then I'm going to have you try to do some on your own. Does anyone know what this is a picture of? It's kind of tricky. We don't use these very often. Well, this is a net. Back when I was little, we would take nets and we'd run outside and we'd try to catch lightning bugs or butterflies. But this is a picture of a net. Say that word for me. Very good. Now again, we're going to slow it down and stretch it out and listen for the sounds that we hear. And we'll move one chip for each sound. Again, say the word net. All right. N-et. N-et. Net. How many sounds do you hear in the word net? Very good. 3 sounds. All right. So for the next few, I will tell you the word. You will repeat the word, and you're going to move your chips all on your own while I watch, and then we'll see what answer we come up with. All right, this picture is also maybe a little tricky to tell what it is. This is a picture of a jet, like a jet that flies in the sky. All right, repeat that word for me, jet. Great job. Now, on your own, I want you to slow down and stretch out that word and move your chips for each sound that you hear. All right, Tim, why don't you demonstrate for us what you did? And as you do it, I'm going to move my chips as well. All right, again, the word was jet. All right, so he said j, et. Thumbs up or thumbs down on if you agree that jet has 3 sounds. Great job. Everyone has their thumbs up. Fantastic. Let's try another one. This is a picture of, that's right, Sam, it's a hat. All right, everybody, go ahead and repeat the word hat. Thank you. Now stretch it out and move your chips. All right. Sam, since you knew this was a hat, why don't you demonstrate for us how you stretched out the word? And as you do that, I'm going to move my chips. All right. So Sam got at 3 sounds. If you agree with Sam, give me a thumbs up. If you're not sure, you can put your thumb sideways, or if you disagree, a thumbs down. Great job. Everyone heard 3 sounds in the word hat. Our next word is pig. Repeat the word pig and stretch it out. Fantastic job. Great job. John, why don't you demonstrate for us? And as John stretches out the word pig, I will move my chips. All right, John said it's p-i-g, pig. So 3 sounds. Show me if you agree, not sure, disagree with our friend John. Great job. 3 sounds in the word pig. All right, we have 2 more to go. This is a picture of the beach. Oh, I would love to be at the beach right now. All right, go ahead and repeat the word beach and then stretch it out. All right, Anna, I want you to go ahead and do this one for us. Show us how you stretched out the word beach. And I'm going to move my chips while you do that, Anna. All right, Anna said beach, beach, beach. She said there are 3 sounds. Show me if you agree or disagree with Anna. Great job. Everyone heard 3 sounds in the word beach. All right, last one. This is a picture to show the word pea, like the vegetable that you eat. So repeat the word pea. All right, now I want you to go ahead and I want you to segment that onto your sound boxes. All right, for this one, I see some of us moved 3 chips and some of us moved 2 chips. So let's discuss that. Again, the word is pea, and we're just listening for the sounds. We're not thinking about how it's spelled, just the sounds. So let's listen very carefully. E, P. All right, so I see that John moved 3 chips. John, why did you move 3 chips? Oh, so you want to change your answer, John? Okay, so show me, John. E. All right, so John now thinks there are 2 sounds in P. E, P. Do we agree with John? Great job. That's right. Even though there's 3 boxes, we're going to leave that one empty because the word P only has 2 sounds. P, E. Great job. So what we just did is we took our words and we listened for the sounds and we segmented, which means we broke the word apart by the sounds. All right, you guys have done a great job today. So that would be the end of my lesson. As you can see for mine, I used slides so that I could manipulate the chips. Obviously, in person, I would have those materials for the students and we would be moving the chips with our hands because that makes the activity multisensory because we're using our hands, we're listening, we're speaking.